Showing cracks are back. तुम्हारे भेजे का क्रैक नहीं, बट का क्रैक. The Diesel 2025 show reintroduced the world to public cleavage, but from the wrong side. Some love it, some hate it, and plumbers in the US are wondering why they weren't credited for this look. I just want to say, I don't care how hot you are, I do not want to see this. This is something we involuntarily see every day in public spaces. The 90s kids fought hard to pull their low-rise jeans up. Let's be real, this is not fashion. This is an HR complaint waiting to happen. Let's leave the cracks to broken phones and pavements, okay? Bye.